290 one more time.
Oh, there we go. That's
What?
what.
MSTR?
MSTR. Yeah.
Yeah, I hope so. Hope so. Intermediate targets for me were 330 and 310.
Oh, Costco.
Pop
It gets
shit.
scary below 280, 270. Ooh.
No, I think
Oh,
it's
shit.
definitely going to 270 or below.
You think?
I think so, yeah. Look at that fat gap.
I just
No
can't read
volume.
read like stocks that are over, like fucking 150 bucks or something. I'm just like paralyzed when I look at the chart. I'm like, ugh.
Read message history.
Yeah, beyond popping today. Man, Haynes, I keep praying for a pullback and it won't fucking happen.
Meta! Oh my god, let's go. Fuck yes. That was.
Wow.
I tried. Well, I was not confident in that. That shit looked like it was gonna fuck me. So I did not share it. No. My bad. Fuck.
GameStop movement is like crazy.
Roblox, don't want to toot my own horn, but I bought it on the opening print. 60.51. I just sold it at 65.
Let's
That's
go.
a snipe.
Yeah, baby. Let's go.
Well-
Sniper gang.
Yeah, I wish I'd been watching that this morning. Yeah, that's a fucking knife catch right there. $51.
Spy 605 holding well. We did get higher highs, higher lows. So, like I said before, 605, 607 range as long as it holds. Meta in the fucking money. Oh my god, let's go. Yeah. Oh, baby. 50% on the 710s.
Oh my god, if I just push those apps calls 1 month, I would be up like 15,000% right now.
Awesome. I got the thing fixed. So now analyst chat, Trey, you have the ability to type in there, if and then Nickel as well. So anybody, if you can't see any channels, let me know. But everybody should be able to see that now. I don't know what the fuck is going on, but boom, there we go.
Yeah, I can see it now.
Awesome.
It's working.
Oh my goodness, Meta, fucking print me. Go on, send everything.
Man, fucking Piton, I swear, it's gonna be the next Carvana.
Wow, dude. Just fucking beautiful, dude. That literally could not have gone better. Actually, it definitely could have.
You could have told people.
I could have told people. I could have not been sweating my ass off when I entered the trade. But it was like my chart that I had shared, like 704. That was the level. So yeah, I fucked up on the calling out the entry, but at least the level that we knew it needed to held.
Ooh. You wanna tell me about Costco real quick?
I mean, it's not good. It's not gonna stop. My next target's 1084.
Jesus Christ.
Let me see. Hold on.
Those
You want to tell me about Costco?
really in the money.
Yeah, I mean 1080, 1078. Just don't stop. Spy's looking. I wanted to. Let's go take out this diagonal high and pull back into like 606 and just keep going. No big corrections today.
Unity will pop.
You ready, Pop?
Oh, never mind. There's no volume. She's coming on back. Back.
Meta. Ooh. I actually will take some Baba 100s right here. What are they at? 140, 150? Oh, shit. Just gonna take two of them for now. No! There's no like active trader on Fidelity.
Huh?
Like I gotta like click the buy to open, then the strike, then the. It's just difficult for me.
I mean, you can do it through Active Trader.
That's what I'm using. Maybe I need to just play with the
I
tools.
mean, you use the website, but the spread is like always like completely different than what shows in Active Trader.
That's the other thing. I mean, yeah, it's been even the
Honestly, just Fidelity's just horrible. For
even the thing. Yeah, me and Berg were talking about it. Just showing you the wrong like. Oh, I got an entry like my 148 is my average, and then but in my like drop down it shows me like your average is 240, and it shows me that being down like 50% the second I buy it. So I think like did I get a bad fill on the spread, but my records don't show that. So
Let the record show.
Yeah,
I make
hold on.
money.
It's like no, I don't know.
Dude, I'm up almost 2,000% on these Costco calls.
Fucking Costco.
The stock doesn't go down.
Glizzies for
Glizzies.
days.
Super glizzies.
Stable coin.
$1 million stuff.
It is. It's $1 million stock. You're
So
gonna take profit.
GME should get a little pop above 25.
Like imagine thinking Costco would go down.
Great American company like that. What are you talking about?
Right? They just gave
Yeah,
everyone
short
raises.
It's the foundation of America.
Hot dogs.
Everything in one place. You need a car to get there. Parking lot's bigger than the warehouse. Yeah, that's America, brother.
Oh,
Also, yeah, I'm sorry that if I haven't gotten to all the chart requests. I tried to get to as many as I could. I think I haven't gotten
Damn.
RR, PLTO. I'll do it.
APPS is fucking off. I hate missing that one.
Nothing really.
Fucking 2 weeks. Missed it by 2 weeks.
Come on, Baba. Give me over 101. Ooh, 608.
Yeah, shit. APPS is going. Fuck, it's going 5 easy.
Baba, decent. She's gonna try for 101, I think.
It looks to me like everything's got one more, or for the majority, has one more good dip in it.
On like what scale?
And then we could be going bull market status.
Like on like a macro.
Yeah. Mm. But I mean, a ton of small caps are right there at the bottom. They've had a pump recently, but it was pretty liquid. I'm pretty positive they're going to come back for one last go. But could be small cap season here soon.
Yeah, I'm just looking at IWM right now. 230's obviously been fucking huge.
Oh, it's still at 230?
It just rejected it this morning, but I mean it ran from 220 from the at 3 days. So it ran $10 in 3 days. Baba, you gonna print for me? Oh, Meta, fucking love you. Fucking love you, bro. Fucking love you, bro. I missed Costco, or the big move on fucking Costco, so.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, let's go. New high day, baby. 712. Give me 720. Right there. Hold the higher low, and we can push for a third high above 704. Pre-market, actually open low was 703.50. Bang, bang, bang.
Bang. Let's get a banger going.
Bang. 83%.
let's go, let's get this motherfucking
Uber.
bread. Let's get this motherfucking bread.
Yeah, Uber above 66. Yep. A lot of volume up above, even 66.75, 66 and a half. Yeah, that's like highest concentration today, I think, is 66 and a half.
Damn, yeah, IWM said access denied.
Meta.
Access
Knew about
denied.
stuff.
Access denied.
God candles. Por favor.
Ooh, it's beefing though.
Oh, beef?
Where's the
Mhm.
Mm.
Mm.
Meta, please. Wow, all that volume up there, dude.
Oh, it's still IWM's filling gap from yesterday.
Oh, dude. Beautiful day. Trey comes back and we just fucking
Beautiful
bank
day.
off open.
I said it was MOAS. Look at all this money we're making.
Low ass.
Baby.
SMCI, okay. Okay. I don't even remember when those calls are for. Fuck.
It's QQQ. Yeah, QQQ definitely stronger. Yeah, that 528 and a half level is looks like it's gonna give us some trouble here actually.
Oh no! Fuck.
Yo,
Oh,
That didn't
I
sound
didn't mean
good.
to sell that.
no.
What happened?
I just sold one of my Costco calls. Alright,
Oh
I took
fuck!
profit.
It's going up forever.
Yeah,
What are you doing?
no, that's a good thing. That's a good
Okay,
thing.
I'm in so many of them that I don't even care.
Yeah, don't be upset. That's a good thing.
No, that was a good profit. I just forgot to move my stop sign. Got distracted.
Look at that fucking chart, dude. The thing ripped $100 in 3 fucking days.
Dude, these went from 64 cents to almost $13.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Oh, I'm down to one runner.
That's insane.
Man, everybody was shitting on me for those Grove calls. I just sold some for 100% fuckers yesterday.
Those yesterday fuckers.
That's another one. Just that was in a liquid pump. I don't think it's gonna hold.
Okay. I'm gonna get to those charts now. SPY just chopping above 605er. Damn, in the money is my favorite place to be.
Well, no shit, Sherlock.
No, he likes to be out of the money in the red.
Yes, I like to be so far out of the money, like GameStop at $120 out of the money.
Some people like that
those-
shit.
Those calls print, bro. Those calls can print.
Oh yeah, it's happened. SMCI, let's get fucking paid. Look at them boner candles.
Oh,
So many boners.
my Lanta.
Boner
No hymns
jams.
either.
Money
Boner.
day. Market was like, oh fuck. That retarded Afro fuck's coming back today. Don't get many deals.
Retarded. You said retarded Afro.
Yes.
Fuck. Did you cut your hair yet?
Correct. Oh shit, I forgot. Yeah, I got pictures of the, like, I put it in a man
better.
bun. I did all sorts of fun shit
Put in
with
a
it.
man bun.
I gotta send you all those pics.
Yeah. What the hell? I was like, what are you
Yeah.
talking about?
Yeah, what the hell?
See the bun.
So uncomfortable. I don't know how people do that, wear that, their hair like that. So uncomfortable.
Let's fucking go. Stock NC hit the fucking meta trade. Beautiful. Yep, I got a runner still too. Let's go. And he swung it. Very nice. Yeah, I got stopped out yesterday. because it was fucking chopping. SPY looking weak into 605 here.
Beyond Meat unveils expanded line of Beyond Steak. Fucking yeah, no thanks.
I
If
would
it
They're
takes
like,
a stock of $5, then fine.
we can do other fake meat, guys. We can do steak too.
All the fake meat, real fake doors.
I like my steak real.
Oh my god. Two brothers. Two brothers.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, Beyond Meat's going. It's going $6, I think.
BY. Oh, that's BYND. That's good.
The only other stock shorted over 100% in January 2021.
Oh yeah, higher highs, baby. It does look really good.
Total shitco, but
It's actually at a really decent buy area too, in my opinion. Give a third high. Ripper.
yeah, I bought those $4 calls a little early, but
Meta 100%, 4.5 to $9.
man, Beyond could fuck too. BYON.
Yeah, thanks, man. 227 people here. Good fucking morning. Give us a like, drop a comment, share the space with your friends, your mom, your grandma.
Guten Morgen.
Thanks for being here.
Call your mom.
Multilingual up in this bitch.
Agency free, dude. Agents,
Hi.
no label.
I actually don't know what that means.
Like Chance the Rapper.
Like Chant the Rapper, baby. Yeah. Let's go.
Let's get this bread. I think that's Mozzie's beat. Micro strategy.
Oh yeah. You can sing that for anything.
Micro strategy.
ASTS pumping, KH, love it.
ASTS, I'm mad at that stock.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go. Bro, we got $9 fucking on that shit. What? Yeah. Give me a 48. When is earnings on this thing? Not for a while. Holy shit. I can't believe. I mean, wow. We were watching it literally when they dropped that dilution and we're like, oh, we should probably just buy 18, buy below 20. And it was the right
Wait, what
move.
stock is this?
ASTS.
Oh fuck.
It was the
Oh,
right
Yeah, I
move.
took an L on that one and decided not to revenge trade it.
Yeah, dude, so bad for fucking literally since August. That would we also talked about that. 'Cause, like,
Yeah, I mean, it was so choppy.
So
I like
bad.
I had two great trades and then I just kept going and I should have just stopped.
So bad.
ASPN. I'm still waiting for bottom on that one, but when I see some volume and some decent movement, I'm gonna hop in.
Baba's looking weak. We might get another 100 tag. What's this support? Yeah, below 150 cents. Might get stopped. SPY still holding 605 for now. Tesla sweeping earnings low.
Let this be the low.
I'm gonna trade AMC off of 272 to 291 ish.
Nice. Coin's been rough. They've been beating that bitch up.
Man, I hope that guy that we were talking to a while back, I hope he closed his AMC calls. So it went back up over $5. We told him. Going sub 3.
Take peasy.
Going sub.
Oh, you want to go over what you had messaged me
What did I
this
message
morning?
you?
Just like the optimal times.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's a good note.
I believe we've probably touched on this before, but can't ever hurt to discuss it again. There's really 3 points during the day that we're looking for an entry. I mean, obviously, entries come at any time, but 99% of the time, your best entry is going to be pre-market, which is kind of dangerous because you can't set stop limits, so you have to actively manage it if you go in at pre-market. The second opportunity would be right at market open. You get a nice little 2.5% dip down and play it back up to previous close, something like that.
Ooh,
I mean,
sexy.
there's all sorts of different opportunities, but so at market open, and then after that, it's going to be after market lunch, which is going to be what time Eastern?
1?
Yeah, 1, 12:30 or 1. Anyways, kind of around there, like right after lunchtime when market volume starts coming back in. That's could probably be your third best opportunity to get in. Now, that's obviously stocks can do anything. I'm just talking in general.
Yeah, optimal.
Those are gonna be your best times to look to buy. From shit like 10:30 to 12:30 is the worst time to be entering. I mean, the stocks are basically going sideways that time for the most part, or just kind of slowly carrying on their trajectory, and then all of a sudden, after market lunch, volume comes in, and it could switch directions on you. But for me, at least, that's just the 3 times that I'm looking to trade. So I basically I wake up and I go in pre-market. I'm watching all those stocks just to make sure if I have to sell or something like that. Buying at open, trying to close some of my positions, within the first hour, just taking some profit, just kind of shielding myself, moving stops up, stuff like that. And then, from, like I said, 10:30 to 12:30, I'm pretty much playing video games or fucking off or doing research or whatever.
Such a
else.
solid system.
Yeah,
It really is.
Because like if I sit there and stare at charts for too long without making a move, I'm like ADD, I get antsy,
Mhm.
like all sorts of things.
Overthinking
and
more
I'm
than you
gonna
need
make
to.
bad decisions.
Yep,
So,
overanalyzing.
yeah, it's just best that I just walk away.
Yep,
Have
absolutely.
my stops set, I'll still watch. I still keep like my iPad up with 10 or 12 stocks on it, watching that while I'm gaming, so I can run back to my computer if need be. But yeah, that's just the gist.
Love it.
Thanks.
Yeah.
That's very helpful.
No, I mean, like, I 100% agree and like see the same thing. Even though we trade so differently, like, yeah, especially if you're fucking trading options, it doesn't even make sense to buy a fucking short dated contract after 10 a.m.
Oh god, yeah.
Ish, whatever. Obviously, there's
Because
outliers.
it's just going to bleed until
Yeah.
after market lunch volume or whatever. So
Yeah.
I mean, you'll be able to probably be able to get it cheaper, if you just wait an hour and a half.
Yep. And honestly, like in trading, like the taking profit aspect becomes such a big thing too, because like if you want to be a real trader, like if you like obviously again like we've said this too, like you'll see Trey and I like, oh fuck, like we sold too early, like, but like in reality, the mentality that you really got to have is just but like it doesn't fucking matter. Like you're here to make money. Just do that a million times in a row, you know, instead of be like, oh, I sold too early or what. Like that's just emotional energy, or you know, energy that doesn't
Yeah.
need to be spent on it. Because at the end of the day, you like if you want to be a trader, if you want like on the to the scale, or like the way that, you know, me and trade all fucking day, that's our job. You really got to have that mentality, because like you won't last. Like it's just too tough on you. But like it's also
Yeah,
a process.
you gotta take profits. I
It's also a
mean,
process and something you have to learn over time, right? Like we didn't just decide that we're gonna. And again, like every day I'm like, fuck, you know, I should have done this. I should have done this. Like, but the more you can just act like a fucking computer and execute,
yeah,
just pay your fucking self, dude. It's
yeah.
not worth all. Like,
Protect your
just
capital.
pay yourself.
Agreed. Hard agree. I mean, you just gotta kind of play the odds. Look at the risk and reward. Play the odds. You know, again, you know, 90% of the time, it's not gonna moon from here. You know, like if you take profit, you know, let's say you get 2.5% on a good day or whatever, and then it goes up to 3%, but you sold at 2.5%.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, majority of the time, it's gonna come back and you're gonna have another buy opportunity. You just gotta be patient. But
Yep. No one trade will be the greatest or last opportunity of your life. It's just not reality.
yes,
As much as that's what you feel like, oh, it keeps ripping, it's going forever. I could have made so much more money. It's just not fucking reality at all.
yeah.
And don't
And I mean,
calculate it.
returning to cash at the end of the day, you know, again, 90% of the time you can buy it cheaper, or at least at the previous closing price the next day. You know, and stocks dip more than they run up. The majorities of the days of the year, stocks will dip before they run up. Or, I mean, they'll give you an opportunity at least every single day to get in. I guess is the best way to put it. For
Damn you,
those
Baba.
for those of you just tuning in, I'm not very good at explaining shit.
You trade,
Alright.
man.
We try.
You killing.
Hmm.
Meta so strong. This QNTM, someone mentioned it was squeezing. I think it's in a correction below 1640 or that high. Like it just looks on lower volume. So, but it did get a nice move. But if it had a ton of volume and came into 12, I think it might be a dip to buy.
What do you think about Kohl's KSS?
I haven't looked at this one in a minute. Ink. Want it to be in, yeah, I think it bottoms above 1150, or that's what I would excuse me, I would hope to see a bottom above 1150. I think that pops back, or has the opportunity to pop back into 1520. Below that I have like sweep of 10, and then losing that April 2020 low, it's gonna, you know, obviously go lower than
Yeah,
that.
I'm watching Macy's, Kohl's.
High shorts.
Yeah,
What's the other one? ANF. That one was always high. High short interest. ANF too, actually. Now that I look at this chart, I have this like actually this area where it is. Very interesting.
GV's got the volume.
Was it?
Keith stuff.
I think Goldie.
What?
You were watching ANF for a while. It's just
It disappeared.
kind of been getting dragged down, but
Oh shit, Abercrombie and Fitch.
yeah,
What
yeah.
the fuck?
Whoa.
What? What? $10 to $190?
Buy the
What?
dip. Buy the dip.
Dude, in
Fucking
what
2
time
years?
period?
This one's dumb shorted too. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. Goldie I'm pretty sure knows a little bit more than I do, but we've been talking about this one, or had talked about it. Yeah, I mean,
God,
I like it above
you're like
110.
fucking idiot looking at Macy's. What the fuck?
No, we need the teenage brands. Milk the kids.
Oh, yeah, it's got a smaller float.
Great song.
No doubt. No diggity. Meta.
No diggity.
Meta. We are $5 in Le Monnaie.
All right. I need to go make a protein shake. Bananas.
Bananas.
Yeah, should have been buying Abercrombie stock, now fucking Abercrombie clothes. What an idiot. Dumb fucking 14-year-old kid.
Wow. What was I doing at 14?
What's that?
Just like, it's hard not to be dumb at 14.
Oh, yeah.
It's hard not
Like-
to be dumb at 34.
Yeah, I was playing video games, not buying Bitcoin. You know, same deal. Good spy. Nice bounce again, 605. All right, now push us through. Nice bounce on Tesla. Bye was only 70 cents off of that low. Good eye though.
Leave me alone.
Spy ripping. Give us 607. Dude, BlackBerry recently. Wow. I hadn't seen. Over $5 now. QQQ breaking out, yeah. Google, nice pop too. Let's send it. Give me a follow through. Nvidia's looking pretty good. Dipped down near 125. Almost back near today's high. Yeah, we want to see strength here to get through day's high, SPY, Nvidia. Otherwise, consolidation will continue. Theta, bang. Yeah, AI moving solid after that last 30 sweep. Pump it. Damn. 69 cents to $13. More of
Bro.
those. More
I
of
don't
that,
even like hot
please.
dogs.
Oh my god, we're $7 in the money. That was the most beautiful pattern play out I've ever seen.
God, you talking about meta?
Dude.
Yo, guys,
Yo.
I don't know if you talked about it. I was jammed with something, but I like Google down here. I bought a little bit under 190. It's starting to work. Keep an eye on Google.
Nice. I actually didn't I just yeah, I agree. I like this triangle. Break it out over 192. Yeah, I agree. I think this is gonna be a great swing. Yeah, I mean the shelf tried to bang the shelf to the downside on like 188. Yeah, I mean the range is 190 to 200. So send it and break it out. Fucking love meta. Wow. Actually, I have goosebumps looking at that fucking chart. Haven't looked at that yet. UPST.
Were you guys talking about ANF before? Sorry.
Yeah, we were actually. Yep. Yeah, I had said that I thought you had a little bit more knowledge on it than I did, but thought it was high short.
Yeah, I mean, it kind of broke all its
What you were
real
looking at? Sure.
support.
Yeah.
You know, I had a small long and I punted when it broke.
Got it.
I should probably have it back on my radar because it is getting a little bounced. I mean,
Yeah, I'm just looking at the historical levels. I mean, I have like the 112. I'll have to adjust them. But I mean, yeah, like what was this? The low back in April 2024 was like 108, just a sweep of 110. So definitely
right.
an area to keep an eye on.
Yeah. But you got, you all luxury retail has been good. Not that I would put Abercrombie in luxury, but overseas luxury earnings have all been good. Ralph Lauren reported this morning that's up 15%.
Wow, nice.
That's RL, so it could be getting a little bit of a boost, with that and oversold.
Yep.
Deckers I continue to like.
That's right. That deck. Yeah, you shared that.
Yeah, I took it off yesterday just because whatever.
Yeah.
And I think Nike is
Haven't looked at that one in a minute.
Nike might be speaking. What's today? Thursday. I think Nike is speaking today somewhere. So, like, I didn't want to have exposure to footwear because I have no idea what the fuck Nike's saying.
Sure.
So I sold the Deckers. But yeah, I mean ANF. It's just it kind of feels like I don't know. I agree. Like you need to see it move back up to like 120.
Yeah. Somebody asked UPST. I mean, 65 is like above 65. We're going higher into 7 or I think we're gonna track higher into like 80 resistance on UPST. We could be just chopping around here, kind of like we have been, but ultimately above 65 ranges 65 to 85. So macro range, but ultimately, yeah, we're headed higher.
Here's Jimmy filling those gaps from yesterday. 25 ish or whatever.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful. Yeah, I just think this is gonna be a diagonal 5-wave after A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Theory back over 26.
Yeah, dude, I think you're right. I think they're gonna extend this fucking. They're gonna give us this diagonal. We're gonna pop into like 20, 27, 26, whatever, and then this extension is gonna extend down to. We're probably gonna go fill that gap. I think you're right. Like if this didn't form this diagonal right here, I would think we're just gonna trade into here and bounce hard out. But the fact that we keep doing, we've said it every single pop, makes another low. So it's just gonna happen again. It's just gonna happen again. Really nice bounce on Tesla after sweeping that earnings low.
SMCI. Give me $40. Just do it.
Hell yeah, good play on XYZ gang. Austin, awesome call out. That shit hit.
Dude, Austin with the business plans.
Where is Austin?
Yeah.
Nice little scalp Sam air swing, yeah. Beautiful. Caught 4 bands off that. It is down now, but it did reject 88, which is what I wanted to see it above. But fucking fire trade, dude. That's amazing. Sniped the low yesterday, sell it open today, and could not have executed better, I don't think.
Nothing.
Sick with it. El Coyote, what up, gang?
Nothing. The other. Back up. Back up. Dumbo.
Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, anybody in the Discord, let's have a town hall later. We gotta figure some shit out.
Yeah.
Gotta figure some shit out. Meta, let's go KH. Hell yes. Amazing. Baba is just theta banging me. I have not been stopped out. I should have, but I didn't put a hard stop in because I just like it above 100. I just think it holds, so kind of broke some rules. But ultimately, just looking for a move over 101. I think we get momentum, and it looks like we might be trying for it one more time here. Let's move this. We got a new breakout level. 102. So even 102 would be solid. All right. So nice pop. 101. Meta on a moon mission. Hell yes. Send Baba with it. Yeah, I would definitely keep an eye on, or actually, maybe I can get actually more accurate. Set alerts. Anybody interested in trading XYZ? I really like the setup. I just think it's headed, well, yeah, with a rejection at 88, I think the chance of sweeping 85 is more likely. So I'm setting an alert 80, yeah, maybe even just 85. Just an 85 sweep. I have 83 and a half would kind of be my like, oh no level. But a move under 85, I want to get alerted, take a look, because if it holds that high or low above 84, great opportunity higher. Baba, ooh, let's go.
Yeah, look at her. Honey. Taco likes Baba.
Do you like Baba? Do you like Baba? You don't know what Baba is. She's pissed she can't be out in the snow.
Yeah, XYZ. I do really like this. It's like, yeah, failed 88, which would have been, momentum above 88 into potentially 95. So yeah, if we get this sweep, money. Baba, over 101. Let's fucking go. Keep going. Give me days high. Give me days high.
GME. Probably just filling
Mhm.
gaps, but I'll take 27 today.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, Chuck.
Some of those games.
ELTR, dude. I honestly thought that was Piton and he was showing his average cost on Pitons. Way high.
Wait, did you see what he said in I have to read it. I don't always exit profitability, but when I do, it takes me 4 years.
Yeah. Gold.
Fucking guy.
It's fucking gay.
Wow.
Meta's going to
Most interesting
750.
hold in the world.
Let's see if Chuck holds another 4 years.
Total, yeah. Same as Chuck Hodel. Spy just chopping it up. And yeah, let me go look. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not. Don't wanna do 602. But they did give me a bad fill. Nope, just kidding. Wrong expiration. There, that's what I was trying to point out. I was able to exit. I mean, we've been getting theta banged, right? So I said like I wanted to take profit into open because I only had there's 0 DTEs today, and they're currently lower than. So if I would have held, I would have, So again, like short dated shit, man. When that theta is there, when that IV pump is there for you to profit, like at least take some because, here's a perfect example. These contracts are $80 lower than what I was able to exit at near open. And we were in a sell candle at that point. Fucking oh shit, that's funny. Give me 720. Give me 720.
Wow, crypto's getting smacked.
Dude, and it was like strong this, well, I won't say strong, but Bitcoin back above 98, which is like my pivot. Like, yeah, they gave made me feel like it was going to be bullish today and then smacked it right back below. Yeah, I mean, dude, this pattern on Bitcoin is not bullish. Like it needs to get, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the breakout. This thing, like it's holding in a leading diagonal pattern, which it could be starting a mega wave 3 down, like 80s.
Fuck yes.
Fuck yeah, brother. Give it.
So if that happened, we'd be like sort of retesting the breakout from the election, right?
We could, yeah, 70, like
You're
75.
calling for a little higher. I see. You're talking about 80s.
I mean,
Yeah,
we could
okay.
absolutely go there. I don't know how heavy the sell off will be, but right now it's setting up for a diagonal. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC 1, 2. We'd start a big like 3. So I would first look for just the flat. So the flat would probably be 80, But yeah, is 75 or even 70 possible? Fuck yeah.
Yeah, that would be like a nice break and retest too on a
Yep.
macro scale.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, because then I want the pattern to develop like because we could be starting a diagonal where this is a 3 and we could be going back to 60s and this big diagonal kind of just making higher highs. Our recent higher low being around 50, we could come back to 60, make a higher low, trade into 120. We could also sweep 80, reclaim 100, and be on our way to 120 that much sooner. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, but like I said, below 98, I think it's probably gonna get just dragged down slowly, and then cascade effect kind of all happen at once.
Yeah. So do you think that the fact that there's a lack of liquidity between, like, if you pull up the volume shelf, basically between 92 down to 88,
Mm-hmm.
all the way down to like 75, basically, that's like pretty dry.
Yep.
Would you say that that increases the likelihood that that move through the volume desert is actually faster?
Ooh, I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, absolutely. A move into there would be fast as hell. Now, my question, if and when that happens, my question is going to be, what does volume look like? Are buyers stepping in at 80 and slamming this thing back up? Because that's what's going to happen. We're either going to see a big wick that gets eaten the fuck up and we go right back over 85, 80, 85. Or we're going to see a big red candle that basically takes us below 80 and we fail to reclaim that. So like who wins so when the battle happens, and that's what's gonna happen with GME. I mentioned that too. Like when it gets scary, when it gets volatile, when the market's asking, is this like what's the fair price? All the volume comes in, it fucking slams it down to a price where buyers need to step in order to send it. And those are like the reversions. So like everything else is typically just chop, but those are
So it's either a huge sweep and reclaim from like 84, 85 back up into above 92 or something.
Yeah, I would even
Right?
say 85. Like even 85 as like just the kind of bottom of this shelf, like a sweep into 80, 75, however deep it wants to come.
Yeah.
Near term, like bulls want to step in, and if they fail to, then we're gonna consolidate lower for longer time.
Right. Yeah.
Weed's
Okay.
moving.
If you
Oh, it
agree,
is.
if you agree that both Bitcoin and Solana and the other digital assets are all going to be extremely volatile, which we know they are,
Mm-hmm.
wouldn't wouldn't you want to own a stock that um, that does well during massive volatility
Yep.
in digital assets, and also uh, does well if you're bullish long term on digital assets?
Yeah.
That would be the perfect combo, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah, you're talking like coin, for example, or
Nah,
maybe
coin a
NFT
little
on.
bit. Here's one. I've spoken about it numerous times, and you can check my profile. It's called Defi Technologies. Symbol Dog, Eddie, Frank, Tom, Frank. DEFTF. It's a Canadian company. They filed to uplist to NASDAQ early in September, so they're probably top of the queue for this administration. They are going to uplift. That is going to happen. Very high likelihood that they get added to the MSCI small cap index, which is announced on January 11th. They own over 60 ETPs in digital assets. So they profit, and that's part of their Valor asset. One one of their businesses. They keep receiving record inflows. They're over $1 billion now, assets under management, and growing. They profit. They profit because these ETPs are becoming massively active, and um, once they do uplist to Nasdaq, there's a very high likelihood that those ETPs in Europe and other countries will be spun out into ETFs here in the US.
Do you just plan to hold this long term? Or do you have a target? Like,
I've been in it around since $2. I'm playing this on pure fundamentals. I don't give a fuck what the price does.
Mhm.
It's extremely undervalued. When you look at like Soul Strategies, which like everyone's all bulled up on because that woman Leah was named like, you know, the head of the company and all that. That thing trades at like some ridiculous multiple and it's been pulling back. DEFTF, mark my words, timestamp it. 2025, the stock will see $20.
$20. Okay. Beautiful.
I jumped into that when I think KH had said something a few months back.
KH loves it. It's one of her top names. It's yeah. I mean, it's if you're not there, like you're just you're giving up free money because large U.S. institutions are clamoring for exposure to this type of shit. And if you go on their website, Defi Technologies, look at all the different levers they have to pull. Look at all the different business lines that they have. This company is going to explode when it uplists.
No.
If you don't have a lot of money, fucking put $1,000 in it. Like, who cares?
Mm-hmm.
But put it on your radar. Read about it. Watch it.
I mean, from a charting perspective, I think it's gonna be well. My target right now would be $10. So I mean, I'm right there with you. I think this thing is an easy 3x, if not. Yeah, I mean, just continue because like the fundamentals I have nothing I know about, but it looks like a $10 stock to me.
Yep. It's really and like when everyone talks about, you know, the volatility and price of Bitcoin, like yeah, when Bitcoin and Solana go down, yes, they hold that shit. But that like they're one of the few companies that, you know, okay, they're going to make up for their holdings going down by the massive volume in these ETPs trading. They're generating a ton of revenue from that. And if you're long-term bullish on digital assets, which I think we all are, we know what's going on, we know what Trump's doing, and you know, the fact that they're not adopting just a Bitcoin reserve, but a digital asset reserve, that's the key. And yes, I'm long it, but I'm not pitching my book. I don't really care. I'm there and I'll be there no matter what. I'm just saying, hey guys, fucking, this is an opportunity to put some money and just watch it go.
Love it. I mean, you called it out, I think, below $1, didn't you?
Yeah.
So it's, I mean, been over
Friggin'
3x since then.
Goldie.
The other one I called is BTQQF.
That was the one that was
50
down
cents.
there. Yeah, that was the one that was below.
That's $3. That's a quantum play.
Yeah.
And that's, I think that's longer term, but that's still working.
Yeah. KH said, tell him to land the plane. DEFTF.
She's right again.
Oh, that's hilarious. Tell him to land the plane, she says.
Love it.
All right, guys. I think I'm gonna hop off here for a little bit.
Sounds
I'll
good,
be
brother.
back after the slow period's over.
Sounds good, bro.
Have fun playing games, bro.
Yeah.
But love you guys,
Love
and
you
I'll
too,
talk
bro.
to you here in a bit.
Sounds good, bro.
Love you, Trey.
Bye.
Bye.
So fucking back.
Oh, dude, I'm thinking we're back, dude.
Yeah, we're back, baby.
I'm thinking we're back.
You think?
I'm thinking so.
MSTR, breaking
Is it snowing
down.
up there?
I want to see her getting below 330 here. That's
Yeah.
what I'd like to see.
Yeah. Dude, the inverted chart looks so bullish.
Oh, good. I like that.
Yeah.
About to break out, dude.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Exactly.
Dude, you remember when Austin, this is early on, dude, or you're like, yo, just invert your chart, guys. It's a good trick. I like to just control I, alt I, whatever. Austin's like, I'm sitting here, I'm turning my phone upside down. I don't understand. I don't see it, dude. I'm not seeing it.
I'm not seeing it, right?
On Robinhood.
Absolutely hilarious.
Yeah, flips over a Robin Hood chart. Like, what? I don't get it. What do you, it doesn't work.
Fucking legend.
Oh my god.
Ugh. All right, Baba. Give me the diagonal, please. What did we double top? Pre-market high? Yeah. The stock NC setup. SPY getting weak. Let me see what we got for support. 604, maybe down to 603. 603 would be tight, it'd be close to the breakout, or the trend breakout. But if 604 holds, might also, or it might hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give us 603. Dude, I'm gonna play Marvels today. Where's FBLR? I told him I was gonna play yesterday, and it was just had too much shit to do. So we're running it.
Don't tell Chuck.
LTRY. Yeah, don't tell Chuck. I actually don't mind the volume on this. If it holds a buck, it's actually looking decent. Lottery.com. What? Ooh, that's a big diagonal. $158. Yeah, I mean, volume is increasing this whole uptrend, head downtrend on lower volume, volume starting to increase here over $1. Not a bad look.
No. God damn it.
Oh yeah, Google. Check this thing.
Look. Smoke up.
Let's do it.
Smoke
Dragon.
up.
Yeah, I was baked all day yesterday, so I have a rule set today. I was retarded all day yesterday.
Break your rules. Break your rules.
Oh, maybe I'll pop a gummy. That's
Oh,
technically a loophole.
it's not smoking.
It isn't. We like them loopholes.
Dude, it's fucking snowing outside. I had no idea. I haven't looked outside.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm pumped.
Nah.
Yeah.
No, thanks. 63 here. I'm chilling.
That's nice. That's
Yeah,
nice.
dude. Actually, yeah. The past couple days have been. It was cold for a good while, so it's been just beautiful. 60s, 70s, sunny. Oh,
Oh,
needed
fuck
it.
yeah.
Been needing it.
That
Yeah,
is
I need
good
some.
weather.
I need some sun, dude. It's been a while now. Fuck. I'm
We haven't gotten
white.
any snow down here.
White.
Texas looking for 602. I don't hate it. I mean, we could get. Let me dig in the spy here in a second. After this dab.
Dude, hell yeah, stalking suit. Let's go.
Dude, that guy's a beast.
Yeah, hell yeah, man.
Little pop on spy.
Dude, this is a vibe in here.
I missed it.
Everybody's vibe in here is like, I'm just looking at the Discord chats. People are just like posting their own thoughts, like not really self-conscious about anything. Like there's no pressure. It feels like, it's good.
Love it.
I love it.
Looking for 602. Yeah, let's dig into it. So, I mean, I definitely see the potential, right? Like in the event that we're like, let's say he wants 602. Can we trade it? Fuck yeah! It's literally only breakout from, resistance yesterday. So it's a support level that I absolutely could trade. What I was looking for, why I like the 607 level as a breakout, and then potential for higher. So I was looking at this being 1, 2, this choppy what we're in here for, so we could get a 5 into like there. But this could also 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be 5 into this area where we're rejecting here as well. So definitely potential, but 604 is support. And we're bouncing here. So range is 604 to, let me take a look actually. Yeah, well, we might be getting dragged down to 603 if we can't reclaim 605. Where's Meta? Baba did get a higher low. Meta, decent little bounce after the pullback. Yeah, I mean, because we're making another lower high, right? Or we're slowing down at a lower high, right? Every time we've gotten above 607, what's happened? Every single time. We tagged it once here, we sold off down to 600, and then eventually down to fucking 575. This time, we broke above it, tried to hold support, gap down to 590. This time, the exact same thing. So, we're in that area where it's like we've been smacked down before, absolutely. So if we cannot hold strength, we could absolutely sell off. But I still remain bullish near term. I still think even if we trade 603, I would be looking to take a long, assuming this was like an ABC and we're about to start a next leg higher. But we've just been chopping, obviously. And here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 retest breakdown. Yeah, that's Bitcoin. Um, so Michael, you said that, yeah, Hex. Like, I mean, I definitely don't hate fading, you know, even 605. Like, if 605 is not gonna be reclaimed, I'm with you. Like, fade it, you know, because one of these times, like I said earlier about Bitcoin, you make a high, you make a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Like, that represents weakness, and what you're gonna see one of two things: buyers step up and change that structure, or the cascade effect where bulls just give up buying the dips because the sellers just continue to drag it down and win, so they all give up, and then boom, you get the big move down. Is swinging Amazon calls too degenerative? Depends
No,
on
you
your
want to talk about real
depends on your level.
degeneracy.
I actually I really like the setup, but I mean, it's earnings. Like, you could absolutely break back down here like this. I mean, this very common pattern. Like, yeah, this thing could be going to 220, but it also could be going to 250.
Great.
Yeah, so, but well, that's the thing with earnings. It's like that's, you know, the 50-50, like, patterns and math can help you. Like, everything's almost always 50-50, but depending on the setup, you can be close to 80-20 percent probability. But with earnings, throw it out the door. You know what I mean? Like, it's 50-50 almost always. Baba, what are we doing? 101 again. Let's go. Yeah, we need to hold here because this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Diagonal would be a fifth, pullback, and maybe a breakout. That's what we want. But if it gets weak, it's gonna break this uptrend, and we don't want that. There's only 5 patterns. There's only 5 of them. It's gotta be one of them.
Gotta be one of them, bro. Which one is it?
Anchored view up got me thinking diagonal.
Goddamn, VWAP. VWAP.
Whack.
Clap.
Excuse me, sorry. It's at 10 o'clock.
Get down. Get down. Thank you.
Microsoft working nice. They're looking nice. That one in Google, just like above these, like, range lows, good swings, I think. Which makes me hopeful for Amazon. How often do you update your anchored view up? I mean, I put them all over the place. I'll update them. Like, I should delete these because I don't even know why these are here. But, like, on this diagonal, like, for a diagonal, set it on the first low, or at the start of the pattern. So, like, the first place I set it is always the start. In a diagonal, because, like, the two bullish patterns you're looking for here are a diagonal or an impulse. So we have 1, 2. You're looking for a big 3, which is invalidated at least on this 3-minute pattern because we already crossed the high for wave 1. So you invalidate that this is a big wave 3 automatically by that cross. So the next thing is a diagonal, which would hold, or doesn't have to hold, but you want to hold the higher low. That's the thing. You want to hold the higher low. So we don't want to take out 125 cents on Baba. You know, the anchor VWAP can be helpful. But on low time frames, it's obviously, I mean, I think the volume shelf like this is more helpful. It's like you got your pivot obviously right here. um, Decent support, but yeah, I mean, if this becomes resistance and can't be reclaimed, then the likelihood that this low gets taken out is higher. But ultimately, you had those two patterns. So higher high, higher low. Look for the pattern to continue. And oh yeah, these. So on a higher time frames, it's easier to see. But as the pattern develops, I mean, I'll adjust them. I like to put them on just like the next low, because if you get trending, here you go. Here's an impulse. Like this, like wasn't support. So it's like, okay, like if I wanted to buy this pullback, I never got the opportunity to. So what do? Like, okay, where did this big volume start? And you get a little closer. So I'll play with them realistically. Just like get a sense of where volume is with that and with the volume shelf. Where are we? Come on. Spy bouncing range. I also like to just like, I don't know if, I mean, like you have a range here, right? I don't ever mark it, but like I think it's because it's just natural, like for me to see it kind of, because I just look like this is a range, right? If you just kind of see the market is, I don't know. Some people even have lines on their chart. I just like the white background, but like that shit's all valid. And then you use like this range with just the volume profile and see where volume is in, you know, very, you know, very powerful tools. Simple, but a ton of different ways to look at it. And I think you just got to find, you know, what you like. Yeah, why don't I do that? Go over RR here. So it looks like the correction could be over. Anchored view up from this low, so here to this cross. Yeah, this looks like potentially more of, so you're either starting, potentially, this is either a big diagonal where you had 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we get 5, which will probably pull back to like something like that. And this, I would say this pattern is valid, bullish above even 250. I like the 250 shelf, the anchor view up probably from the low here. Yep, bounced there already near $2. So ultimately, you've got $2 showing extremely good support, right? Volume show. If you lose $2, your range becomes basically 80 cents to $2, but above $2, range is $2 to $4. What you want to do is break out of that range higher, but then again, pattern wise, one high, two highs, a third high. So in a diagonal, you'd probably get something like that. But this could also be this could have been start of a big wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ABC is wave 2. We could be starting 1, 2. Now this pattern could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like a diagonal, or it could be a big 3. But ultimately, this could be 1, 2, start of a very big move. So definitely want to see volume start to increase. It has been somewhat down near $2, so that's good. TTM, which I don't really talk about, or I haven't really been using at all, but is looking good too. Flipping on the 4-hour. This thing looks good. RR. Yeah. This looks good. Damn. What?
Stop it. This dog's a terrorist.
That was awesome, dude.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I'm bye bye. If you're around, if you could clip that, that would be great. I think that would be a good video to throw in, kind of process. I'll also highlight, like, you always start looking at, or I do, pattern. I mean, if you're gonna count, you start from the low, right? Like, that's where everything begins. IPO price, or like low, all-time low. That's where the macro begins. But yeah, I mean, this is checking all the boxes. This is checking all the fucking boxes. I like this a lot. So that would be where the hell? Oh, yeah, okay. So 650 is going to be our breakout. And if this is a big wave 3 starting, then 11 and 17. There's already confluence on 17 too. See where, oh, I can't pop it. Nope. A little messy. Oh, I didn't even see Baba, but imagine. Need more volume, pop it. Time is it? 10.
No. Dude, where's PG and Champ? I need some Theo in my life.
Spy bouncing pretty solid. 604. Range back in. So let's see if we hold 605. Ooh, nice pop. See, this makes me think, especially because we got sharp 4 or sharp 2 there, sharp 2, choppy 4. I mean, I guess you can make the same argument here, but I still think this could be the extension.
Nice pop on Spy.
Which would take us, yeah, 610 if it gave us the full extension. Let's see if we can get out of range first. Over 607.
Ooh, let's go Spy. Oops. Fuck.
I think I'm gonna pop off the stream and the space for, yeah, because the shit's chopping. But I'm gonna talk to Trey if he's gonna come back later. We'll pop back on a space. So yeah, I'm gonna go on Discord and do some more charting and shit. And I'll see ya.
Yeah,
Hell yeah,
get
dude.
to work.
Much
I'm gonna
love,
send you
gang.
something real quick if you don't mind.
Oh no, yeah, absolutely. I mean, that's yeah. Let's go. Yeah, thanks everybody for
Cool.
being here, man. Much love. We will, yeah, maybe.